what we got so far. So I'm gonna be running a wire for a switch here. We're gonna put a switch and outlet, you know, so we can have a charge whatever we have to charge and turn on the light. And then right here will be a sink, right here, wall mounted sink, mirror and stuff. And then I'm gonna add more 2x4 for the support for the bottom, because we cut those stud or the joist. So I'm gonna add some support in the bottom of it, screw them all down, and then put some plates here, protected plates here, before we cover the board. And this is now the sink here. So we're using PEX pipes with a crimp. So they've been good. I've been doing them some for the plumbing job, not for my HVAC work, but for the plumbing work I use this. They're easy to work with, you know. Put some of this for vibration and stuff, you know, expansion, so it doesn't make that squeaky noise and stuff. And that's our toilet right here, toilet flange, and that should be good for now. All right, I'm making an update later.